Hello everyone, myself Anindita Malviya, a first year undergraduate student from IIT Kharagpur. Roll number 21 MI 33004, section 3. Today I have created a temperature monitoring alarm system using Tinkercad software. So, first I am going to show how I have created the circuit and the coding I have used. Then I will simulate to show how it works. So I have used an Arduino Uno, a breadboard, 3 LEDs, a piezo, a temperature sensor and made the following connections. I have used resistors wherever required. I have connected the temperature sensor to the analog input pin of the Arduino A0 and the LEDs and the piezo is connected to the digital output pins in the Arduino. So I will be able to change the temperature ranging from -40 to 125 degrees Celsius through this TMP sensor, and accordingly the LED lights will glow according to the temperature set by us, that is 25 till 25 degrees Celsius. From -40 to 25 degrees it will glow green, then above 25 to 75 degrees Celsius it will glow yellow, and above 75 to 125 degrees Celsius it will glow red, and also in the temperature range 75 to 125 degrees Celsius the piezo will also make a sound which will act like an alarm. Also, I have connected a multimeter which we will see that the voltage is varying as we change the temperature. So now I will discuss how I have coded this. I have used blocks plus text so that we can view both of them together. So I have created a variable temperature and I have set these codes. I have created these codes to convert degree to Celsius and then put in a range, and then I have used if then control functions to do this, and then I have also used map function from math and so I have created this block, and this is the written text or the code which we get, which we copy and will later play in Arduino IDE to compile the code to run the real Arduino. So now I will be running the simulation and showing how it is working. So as we can see, the voltage gets stabilized at 25 degrees Celsius temperature. And now we'll be concentrating on these LEDs to see how this goes. As soon as I increase my temperature above 25 to 28, I have increased, the bulb becomes yellow, and then it goes on till 75 degrees, and as soon as it crosses 75 degrees the buzzer starts to buzz and the light becomes red. So it is showing an alarm, and just like that, when we go below 25 degrees, it is green. And we can also keep an eye on the multimeter. We see that as we increase the temperature, the voltage increases, and as soon as we decrease, the voltage also decreases. Here we can see the temperature. Now, since I have also made a serial, like I have given this command to print on the serial monitor, when I will start the simulation, we will see the data in the serial monitor as well. So as we can see, 25 degrees Celsius is being recorded here, and when we increase, it becomes 37, 38, and so on. And when we decrease, it keeps showing the value of temperature. That's it. Thank you.